Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add and list property on Agoda. So first is you have to open your web browser, and then using the search bar is you have to type out Agoda, and then you'd be able to see this link. So you just have to click on it, and then you have to make sure that you have signed up or signed in to your Agoda account. And now that you're here, you'd be able to see these options. You have the hotels and homes, private stays, flights and hotels, flights, activities, and then airport transfer. Now to list a property on Agoda is you just have to click on this option right here, this one at the top right hand corner, and then go to the bottom option, and then you'd be able to see this list your place. So you just have to click on it, and then you'd be redirected to this page. Now what you're going to do next is to click on this add a listing option, this one at the top right. And then first is you have to set up using your Airbnb link. So if you have an Airbnb link, so you can import a single property or import multiple properties. Next is you have to select your property type. So for this example, I'll be choosing the entire apartment. Okay, and then the property size is you have to type it out right here, for example 100 square meters. And then for the rooms and details, for the accommodates, the maximum number of people who can sleep comfortably given the total bed space and sofas. So for example, the maximum number of people, we've got 3, and then for the bathrooms, we've got 1. And for the bedrooms, you just have to click on the plus icon or the minus icon. And then for the bedrooms and the another type of bed, so you can go with a single bed. And for the bedroom 2, we've got 2 beds, and then the size, the type of bed. And for the common space, you also have this option right here. And then if you want to add another bed type, so just click on the add another bed type. Then once you have finalized everything, just click on next, and then you have to input or fill out this location details. Okay, so you have the street address, the building, the floor, and the unit number, the country, region, state, province, city, and then the postal code. And you also have here the map location where you can use it to zoom in, and then just point it to your location. You just have to zoom it in, and then after that just have to click on next and make sure that all of the details and information are all correct. So now let's proceed to the description. So here is you have to type out the name of your property, describe your place, and then when arriving, how can guests get to your property. So for example, I'll be naming this property as perfect relaxing resting place, or it's up to you if how you're going to make it count and make it sound inviting. And then here you just have to describe your place. So why should a traveler choose to stay at your property? So just explain it right here. And then after finalizing your description for your place, let's proceed to the next one. So here you just have to enter at least 25 characters, so help your guests easily find your place and decrease the likelihood of cancellations and issues on the day of the checked in. So we'll send this direction to your guests after booking confirmation, along with your address and a link to a Google map. So you can also create checked-in instructions for your property and share your contact information. So you just have to type it right here, and you can go ahead and give your home a rating to help set expectations for travelers to stay. Then after that, just have to click on next, and then let's proceed to the amenities. So for the recommended, so travelers prefer these amenities when booking homes. So you've got towels, desk or workspace, free parking, kitchen bases, and then you also have your air conditioning, keyless access, free Wi-Fi, balcony or terrace, beachfront, And after that, just have to click on next, and let's go to the pricing. Okay, so you can set pricing and availability by either selecting from the channel manager options or by providing the details. So what would be the minimum price per night? For example, 2,000 Philippine peso. And you can also give your guests a deal to get bookings and review faster. You can offer 33 discount for the first 3 bookings, and then just click on next after that. And now right here, just have to drag and drop your pictures, so show them what they're missing. So pictures matters to travelers. Upload as many high quality images as you have. You can add more later, so just for now at least upload 3 photos, and then just have to click on next. And now let's proceed to the profile. So just have to tell them who you are, the host type I have, or I host on my own. And here you just have to fill out your profile information. And then once you have filled out all of the important details, you just have to click on next. Okay, so right here I've got my first name, my last name, and then you can also upload, add, or change your profile photo. And then you have to make sure to select, to fill out your date of your birth. Okay, and then right here, contact details, you've got your mobile phone number, and then your country, to make sure that you have filled out the correct contact information. And for the language preferences, let's go with English. And here your email, and you can also verify your email. And then right here for your location details, so you have to make sure that everything is correct before you can publish your changes. Okay, so you just have to describe yourself, and then if you have an Airbnb profile link, so you just have to paste it right here. So we're done filling out the basics, the location, the description, the amenities, the pricing, the photos, and the profile. So here you have to know your local laws, regulations, and taxes. So you have to read all of this, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. And then just make sure to click on this box right here, and then click on publish my property. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once everything is set, you can now share your link to your different social media accounts to attract more travelers and to engage more audiences. So just make sure that everything is correct to make your business going. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.